Hi everyone, welcome to the lookbook. 1 week to Valentine's Day. What are your plans? Do you have a date? Are you going to spend time with your family, hang out with your friends, or like me, have a chill pamper sesh and then Netflix, YouTube, whatever it is? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to know. And yes, Valentine's Day is not just for couples. You can celebrate with your friends, family, and celebrate self-love. And if you want to know how to get this romantic soft glam makeup look, I have kept the skin really fun and fresh and dripping in pink. So yes, if you want to know how to get this beautiful, youthful, perfect for daytime, perfect for Valentine's Day soft glam makeup look, then please continue watching. So we are starting with skin prep. Let's give this dull skin a boost. I'm going to take the Face Shop Pomegranate and Collagen Volume Lifting Cream. I'm going to take a nice generous amount and give it a good massage. You need to make sure that your skin is moisturized before makeup. You might skip a primer if you don't have a lot of pores, but make sure that you have moisturizer on so that you don't have any dull patches. And we are going to start with eye makeup. So I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and hide all those dark areas on my eyelids so that the eyeshadows pop better. Then we are going to set it with some loose powder and move on to eyeshadow. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Sophx eyeshadow palette. Pick that beautiful popping pink shade. Right now I'm just making sure that I have the pigment on my lids, and then I'm going to go in with circular motions around the edges to make sure that everything is blended out. It's super easy. I've just taken one shade. Then taking this angled brush, or you can take something like a lip liner brush, and I'm going to make a smoked out wing liner. But if you are someone who's really great at wing liners, just go in with a liquid liner and make that sharp, precise wing. I'm just not that great at it, so I'm going to do with a smoked out wing instead. So this is what an eye look is going to look right now. Then I'm taking, you can take a highlighter or a bright shimmery shade to add that pop onto the inner corners and brow bone. This lifts up your face and makes you look more awake. Then for foundation, I'm taking the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. With a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to bounce it on my skin to blend the foundation in. This also gives a nice dewy finish. By the way, my camera wasn't recording because I got a call, but I was just blending my foundation. Thank God we didn't miss much. And yes, I'm going in with a little more product because I want a better coverage. Then remember to drag it down to your neck because you don't want two different colors. Going in with the same Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, I never do the triangle method. You just need very little concealer towards the inner corner where there's much darkness, and towards the outer corner to give it a lift. And also I applied it on the centers of my face because that is where I want the focus to be. And now I'm just going to blend it out nicely, and you can see how that gives like a arched upward lift to my face. With the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light, I'm just going to set a couple of areas on my face, like under my eyes so that it doesn't crease, then around my nose, on my chin and forehead. This is usually the areas that I get oily. Now the reason I'm not setting the rest of my face is because I want to have that glowy, dewy look and I don't want it to be all matte. But if you're an oily skin type, you definitely might want to set your entire face. I'm going to run that same pink eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and for my brows I've taken the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I'm going to brush it through, then fill it from the starts with small feather-like strokes. I don't go really dark with my brows because I don't like the stark look, and then I'm going to brush it through to distribute the product nicely. I've gone in with a white kajal that tends to open up my eyes, and also I have that white crop top so it will look kind of cute. Then going in with mascara, this is the Maybelline Colossal, a classic. Definitely go in on your lower lash line. That makes your eyes look bigger. So we are done with the eye makeup, but our face looks kind of flat. So for contour, I have taken the Wet n Wild Mega Contour palette in the shade Dulche de Leche. Going in with contour, I'm going to place it a little bit above the hollows of my cheeks and blend it out. Then I'm going to place it on my jawline very lightly. As you can see, I'm just packing the powder on and then pushing it upwards. That is what you want. You want the illusion of a lifted face. Then I'm also going to contour my nose with a very flat small brush. The first time I tried it, I was smitten. I just have to do this. Then yes, I went all out with my blush. People usually comment that I don't apply enough blush. So here it is. This definitely looked really cute and youthful, and nice blush definitely does that to your face, and I love the effect it has. Taking this gorgeous Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Precious Petals, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, and a little bit on the forehead as well. These are the points where I want that high shine effect. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut. If you want to know how to get that fuller lip effect, then click on the video in the iCard, and in the description box I have a full tutorial up. Finishing off with the pinky nude lipstick. This lip shade is literally my ride or die. I cannot do without this, and we are all done. So this is the soft glam version of a Valentine's Day look, but next week, just a day before Valentine's Day, I'm going to post another look, the classic red lip. So stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.